Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
संसारिक तंटे थेट कोर्टांनी वरचे परस पर्यायी कावन्सिलींग पद्दतीन समोपचारान सोडोवपाचे नदरेन कोर्टाचे यत्न चल्ल्यात. गोंयांतूय प्री लिटिगेशन कावन्सिलींग सेंटर सुरू जाला. पणजे आदल्या सत्र न्यायालयाचे बिल्डिंगेत सेंटर चलतले. हायकोर्टाची जुईज रेवती मोहिते डेरे, न्यायमूर्ती मनीष पितळे, न्यायमूर्ती मुकलिका जवळकर, उत्तर गोंय प्रिन्सिपल डिस्ट्रिक्ट आणि सेशन जज BP देशपांडेन पणजे प्री लिटिगेशन कावन्सिलींग सेंटराचे उक्तावण केले.
With the advent of technology, with mobiles, there started being more problems. Of course, technology is a boon, but technology also impacts relationships. Now, take for example, today if you go to a restaurant, you see a husband, wife and a child, all three of them are on their respective mobiles. They're all SMSing somebody the minute the food comes. Instead of communication, the first instinct is to take photograph and send it on social media and wherever, just to show where you are and what you are doing instead of spending quality time with the family. This center is not only about husband and wife relationship, but if it comes to it, if there are any issues with the in-laws, even that is addressed in these centers. So because we want to look at the holistic thing called family, so in terms of resolving the dispute. Now, in this Let's Talk Center, we have dedicated counselors who are experts in their field and who have their own expertise, and I'm sure they will help us and in achieving our object. We see that there is a rise in the harassment to senior citizens, and we are witnessing a steady rise in such cases. Of course, at the age of 90, 80, 70, no senior citizen would like to go to the court against a child unless they are really compelled to do so. Neither do they have the energy, the inclination. So we thought that this would also be a wonderful forum for such issues where senior citizens have problems with their children, where they can come and an effort can be made to redress their issues.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट शिरीष कुकळेकार.